Hi, I'm Dr. Amy Taub, and I just presented in the Cosmetics Symposium on the latest and greatest in anti-aging products. What I spoke about were 3 products that contained ingredients that was an answer to some of the deficiencies of growth factor products that have been in the past, specifically that perhaps they were too large to penetrate through the epidermis, or that they weren't specific enough, and concerns about the fact that perhaps they could initiate too much proliferation in malignant cells. The 3 products I discussed, one was heparan sulfate, the product known as Sente. Another product was Trihex, known as Elastin, and the third product was DefenAge. So in the Sente product, they use heparan sulfate, which is a small molecule that stimulates glycosaminoglycan production. In the Elastin product, Trihex, it upregulates the genes responsible for collagen and elastin production. But I think that DefenAge really represents a major advance, even a paradigm shift, because instead of adding ingredients that perhaps are lacking or not working as well, we're now actually using messenger, which is a small molecule and does penetrate, to stimulate our own endogenous stem cells to produce new skin. And the cool thing about that is that the endogenous stem cells that we have actually lay dormant in a hair follicle and are only activated during trauma to the skin, for instance, a cut or a scrape. And they're kind of they're sequestered away from the epidermis, so they don't really experience photo damage. And therefore, they're unlikely to have mutations or to have senescent problems. And so when we stimulate those cells, we can expect to get a much newer and fresher epidermis. And in a study that was just completed where I was the principal investigator, we had 3 sites, and it was blinded and placebo-controlled, double-blinded and placebo-controlled, of 45 women, and we showed that there was a statistically significant improvement in pores, wrinkles, melanin, and just overall photoaging. And in addition, through biopsy studies, we also showed that the epidermis was significantly increased in the thickness. So I think this is a new paradigm that we have now, and the product has been extremely well received by my patients. It doesn't irritate people, it doesn't dry them, it doesn't cause inflammation as we saw in the biopsies, and it shows incredible results, as you will see when the study is published with the photographs of the before and afters. Thanks.